right, GK3 Pro, supposedly. This box got just shreked by the transport people somewhere between China and here. I didn't cut this flap open. So let's hope everything inside's okay. Let's find out. This is supposedly the new and improved one. There was an initial batch of GK3 Pros. And they asked me if I was going to review one of those, and I said, I'm kind of busy this month, give me a month. And they said, cool. And then I didn't hear from them for like a long time. And then the contact lady said, yeah, we're going to fix some stuff first. And that was months ago. And here we go, supposedly the newer version. Oh, am I going to regret taking it apart this way? I think I just might. Is it too late to turn back now? Oh no, it's okay. Where do I put this? There we go. All right, so what is in the box? Standard stuff, blah, blah, blah. This looks just like the other Uniformation stuff. The leveling paper thing, extra release film, neat. Power cord. This is probably a toolkit. Yep, standard toolkit that comes with everything. A couple of things I want to bring your attention to. The two very greatest things I've found in the toolkit. Number one, silicone funnel. I already have 3 Uniformation printers. I have 3 of these funnels. This is phenomenal. You need to put this with all the 3D printers. And the silicone spatula thing. Again, I have a couple more of these, and I freaking love this. For stirring the resin, especially because it's not hard, it's very soft. This is very soft silicone. Please, every other manufacturer, start putting these in there. And there's filters and spatula things and these side cutters and stuff. But seriously, this is the best thing. And we have more tools, little tweezers, the Allen wrenches, Wi-Fi, extra screws, gloves. Honestly, I never use these gloves. I don't know why, I just keep throwing them in a pile. And now, drum roll. Come on. Whoops. Ta-da! Hey. Okay, cool. Oh, look. It's got this whole setup like the GK3 Ultra. I like that. And this is an empty bottle, so I can put in whatever I want into this. Another air filter. These big honkin' easy to change air filters. This just sticks in the back. I've got to be very careful. This feels way too heavy. Ah, there's the build plate. Build plate, cool. Looks very similar to the other Uniformation printers. That's good. I like that. And we have this kind of clamp thing, which is good. And looks like, oh, there's a little camera. It's got the little leveling bubble, just like the GK3 Ultra. I like that. Oh yeah. There we go. Plugged it in. This is cool. Watch this. Power button. USB port, which you can get to through this nice cutout there. Cool. This is great because that means if you spill anything, it's not going to get on the power button. It's not going to get on the USB port. It's going to drip down and get on this thing. I like that. Good thinking. Oh, we got a light. Light just turned on. Okay, cool. And this looks like the familiar Uniformation interface. See if I can get the bed up. Now keep in mind, I haven't read any instructions at all. Vat cleaning, Z-axis movement, up. I haven't read any instructions at all, but this is a Uniformation printer. And like I said, I have a couple of those already. Okay, and this looks like a vat cover. Yes. So here we can write, what kind of resin's in there, which would be very handy. This looks different than the GK2 and 3 Ultra vat covers. A little different. It fits on the top. It doesn't go over. That's kind of neat. All right, that comes out. Oh, here we go. Fun fact, my GK3 Ultra I have over there actually forgot to peel this off for the first maybe couple of bottles of resin. It printed just fine though. Let's see, we'll put this in. Clip, clip, very familiar clips. Peel, nice. That almost looks like an ACF, not an MFEP or whatever. Am I right there? ACF? I kind of like the ACF. I haven't noticed a resolution loss in any other printer with them. I see there, right there, That's the little window that the machine looks through to know if it's got to add resin, and it adds resin there. Neat. I didn't know this machine was going to have that. And I see a familiar track over there and this neat thing up here. This is perhaps my favorite part of all Uniformation's cool ideas here. So you take your vat off of here. So you got your plate up here, right? You print the stuff. Okay, we're done. You take it off. The vat has this lip sticking out front to stop drips, which is very cool. But you can take this off and place it right here in that tray, in that little groove that my arm is probably blocking, and up there. And now everything will drip down into the vat. How cool is that? That is the coolest thing. No need to print something goofy to hang it up here. You just sit it there, and you can even close this door. Well, maybe not all the way. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's the problem. You can close that all the way. Neat. So first impressions, this looks like a mini GK3 Ultra. How's it gonna work? We will have to find out. This is obviously not a review. I just unboxed the thing to see what's actually in the box. I'm gonna stick this up here and I will have to get started testing it out. The thing is, I'm not gonna have time to test it out immediately because in the morning, I'm going to the hospital for a while. Not for me, my wife is having a baby. So it might be a little while. I believe this is the one with the 385 nanometer light source. That might be interesting. We will find out how it all goes in the future. Subscribe if you want to see that.